currently tracking the location of Chris Keys and friends. Location found. Omni Hotel, top floor.
What about a speaker?
The concert is today, Tony. Saturday, January 13. Where are my tickets?
I told him to do something. He didn't listen to me, so I had to cancel his fucking contract.
I want tickets, Tony, to Toad's Place today.
That's okay, no big deal. We do it next month.
No, Tony, you can't go next month. The concert is today, Saturday, from 3 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. You stupid little monkey!
Hey, who the fuck do you think you're talking to, huh? You wanna fuck? Who the fuck do you think I have to fucking dumb boy?
'Cause I don't give a fuck.